Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial in which I will show you how to download and install Unity Engine from scratch so you can start your game development journey today without any issues. So without any delay, let's get straight into it. First you will have to open up your browser and search for Unity in the search bar. After that, click on the download link here. Then click download again on the Unity website. Now your download will start for the Unity Hub. Unity Hub is a tool that helps you create, open and organize Unity projects. Also, it's a place where you can install the actual Unity engine. After the download is complete, run the installer by clicking on it and click Allow. Then click I agree. Click Install. Now Unity Hub will get installed on your device. After the installation is complete, click Finish. This is the Unity Hub. Now you have to create a new account if you have never used Unity before, else you may sign in directly. After the sign in is complete, you may be greeted with this message saying you need an active license to use Unity. Click Agree. To get your license, click on this gear icon. Go to Licenses and click Add. Click Get a free personal license and agree. The next and the most important step is to install the actual Unity editor. For that, click Installs tab. Now you won't see any installs here. Now click Install Editor and choose the recommended LTS version. LTS stands for long-term support and it indicates the most stable and bug-free version for Unity. After that, select Android build support for creating mobile games. Check Universal Windows and WebGL build support. Also check Windows build support IL2 CPP and click Continue. Agree to the terms and conditions and click Install. Wait for the installation to complete. It will take some time to install. Now the installation is complete. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Unity engine. If you have any queries regarding the video, then feel free to ask in the comments. That was all for this video and I will see you in the next one.